Don't you want this face showing up on your notification screen? Alright, let's get into this video. So this is another Fashion Nova haul items because they took forever to send my stuff, but I finally got it. So I want to show you guys what I got. So let's get into the video. Okay, so the first item that I'm pulling out is a pair of shoes. Okay, so these shoes are really cute. I like plaid, so I decided instead of getting like a plaid shirt or pants or whatever, well, I did get some pants, but whatever. I wanted to get some boots, and I really love the plaid yellow, so these are really cute. Like, y'all, look at how cute these boots are. Look at that. That is just gorgeous. Okay, yes. So the heel is very chunky, which I like getting chunky heels because it's easier for me to walk in. And it's your typical boot, you know, typical ankle booty, I guess you could say. And these are really cute. Like, I love these. I just love everything about it. I love plaid, I love yellow, I love that it's a chunky heel, and I don't have a lot of boots and I don't have a lot of heels to be a girl, right? I'm such a tomboy. So I decided to go ahead and get these, and I really like these. These are like about to be my favorite shoes ever. Alright, so that is that. Next, this is Passion for Fashion tunic top. So this is kind of like a t-shirt dress, and this is what it looks like. It's a long sleeve. Oh, I didn't realize it was on the back too. So this is what it looks like. It says, let me make sure I put it the right way. So it says, that's upside down. There we go. So it says fashion, and it's fashion on the front and the back, and it is like a t-shirt dress, but it's pretty short because I got my normal size. I think if I wanted to wear like a t-shirt dress, I would have gotten like I would have went up in the size, but I just got my regular size because I'm just gonna wear it as a shirt. And I was thinking about maybe wearing this with the plaid booties that I just showed you guys. I thought this would be really cute, maybe with like some dress pants or like maybe some leather pants, maybe some jeans even. Maybe do like an all black. I can do black, this top, some black jeans, and then the plaid booties with a really cute top to match. I will say that if you guys do plaid, please don't do plaid on plaid. Unless it's like, if you have like plaid booties, you should have like maybe a plaid like purse that matches, you know? Or maybe a plaid top, but not like plaid on plaid on plaid. That's a no, don't do that. Okay, but this is really cute. I love this. And I just have a passion for fashion, so I thought, why not get it? It suits me, it describes me. But yeah, I really like that. So the next item I'm gonna pull out the back is As If plaid leggings. So I couldn't find any plaid pants that I wanted in my size, so I decided to go ahead and get some leggings. These are not like the same color as the booties. I wasn't gonna wear with the booties anyway. So this is what they look like. They're just, you know, your basic plaid leggings. Very stretchy, very stretch. I got my regular size in these. Again, I just wanted some plaid bottoms, and because I couldn't find actual pants, I just went ahead and got these. I think these were like, $10. So I figured, why not? And I really like these. Elastic waist, so that, look at all that stretch, like that's crazy. So very stretchy. If I wanted to, I could wear the fashion top with these and then some cute boots. maybe like some black boots, or maybe if I wanted to do, you know, add a little color to it, I can maybe add like kind of the red that's in this plaid. But yeah, I really like these. They have the perfect amount of stretch, and they're super cute. They don't feel too thin either. They have a little thickness to them that I brought from Fashion Nova, and I figured that'd be really cute, you know, to wear all black. So this is just like a plain black jumpsuit. The material is very stretchy. I like it because it's stretch. I got my regular size in this. You know, I didn't go up a size or anything because I always read the reviews, and if people say it's like has like a lot of stretch, and they got a lot of stretch, I go by what they say. And these are pants too, just your basic black jumpsuit. I was thinking about wearing these with the red thigh-high boots that I had bought, and a black fur, you know, do some makeup, maybe have my hair in a bun like this, or like a cute like side ponytail, and I'd probably pair it with a red purse too. I can just see myself now. All right, and the last item that I got is a pair of earrings. I just love jewelry. I love earrings. I really like these earrings, and I saw these and I said, oh, I have to get them. So these is what they look like, as you guys can see. Just your typical gold. I like the design of it. It kind of gives you like a, I don't know, but I just really like the design of it. The design of the earrings is what stood out to me most, is the reason why I really wanted to buy it. So I love these. Just your typical gold hoop earrings, like, ooh. All right, guys, so that is the end of my Fashion Nova haul. If you guys like these items, I will be leaving a link in the description box so that you guys can go buy them yourselves if you really like them. Also, if you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you comment. Let me know what you guys think about the items that I bought. And until then, I will see you guys in my next video.